work my hole. You talk about me hole, so me can't work, so me can't turn up too long, me a hole man. Come on for this year. Thank you, if nobody can give me, the donut.
هذا سن يخارج الفيزا هذا سن يخارج الفيزا
About them big stinking front were right out and join the flying and them pussy.
Some guys look up on the screen. You run one more, uncle?
Yeah, me run one. Tell them to them big stinking pussy. Tell them blood clot suck with girl. Them say January man me got bomber clot England. Them come near up my bomber hole. Come swipe me hole. Tell them come swipe up my hole with some shit that my body hole. That them come do. Tell them to come swipe on my body wall with the foot and shit them in my back when I slap me with some shit in them out. Tell them to come slap me with some shit in them pussy. Tell them that. I slap me with some shit in them out. Cause them mouth full of shit. Tell them I slap me with some blood clot shit in them blood clot mouth. Tell them that say me bomber clot Derrick says up. I slap me with some shit in them pussy.
Come guys, come to school. Jamel, we beg you no one Anna no? And you can't make it look so bad. Respect you no magma.
Them big stink in front are right now out like a dead dog. Conroy over them hole.
Come down. What can go? What can go? So them two out there. What up in life with them out? Can't say uncle I buy him in good things and for Christmas and I come talk about who I go left all the wicked so. Hi. Hey, Jessica, your name Conroy. Come guys, on the top of the screen. To the bonus mission here, we're gonna try to catch your speed. Jessica, give me something man, leave one Anna. 3 times I come. catch it 3 times. I see what I say. And I send 3 rows. 2 person send 1 rose. Somebody send 1 rose. Jessica, I can't get 1 rose. Nobody else can send 1 rose. Somebody else send a rose, no? Oh, okay, so 1 rose. Top of the screen, guys. Don't miss it 3 times. Beggy want Anna. Magna. Hey.
I'm in the US. I'm in Connecticut.
Okay, darling. Where are you, Charles?
I'm in the US too, in Georgia.
Okay. It's not easy, man. Trust me. It's hard.
It's very hard out here, especially with everything gets so expensive.
Expensive. For real.
Like everything gets expensive. Everything is not like before COVID. Everything after COVID just went different. Everything just becomes so sky high. Taxes are so high and things. Like going to the supermarket with $50 is like going to the corner store to buy milk and bread.
Exactly that.
Yeah.
Exactly that. If I could do it, I will. But listen, Derrick, you never know. Do you know what I mean? Like, I'm never going to say to you that I'm going to do it, but watch this space in January. I'll get my blessings and I give my blessings back. You get me, Uncle Derrick? Just hold the faith.
So what scream guys,
You know, you see with me, me not set me not set New Year's resolution, you know, me not set them something dear. Me not tell myself, you just have to just go with it and just see what happens. Because sometimes you set yourself and then it don't work out. So just
Exactly.
go in it and
Sometimes you can't plan everything.
When you plan certain things, it turn out different.
You know, I sent down 3 barrels. I sent 2 to Gambia, to orphanages. And I sent 1 Jamaica. So, like, I put it in the back. You got to imagine, when I'm putting bully beef and mackerel and toiletries and sanitary towels and nappies and wipes, it costs money, you know, to fill a barrel, you know.
So hold on, when you pack a barrel and send it to Jamaica, you send it to like a home or something?
I've got people out there. Do you know what I mean? The last barrel went into Kingston, like into the garrison, because it was really, really rough out there. You know what I'm saying? So
I'm gonna try to pack a barrel for my mother and my brother this year, for next year. For God spare my life. Because God to let me live to see the new year. I mean, you know, I'm gonna try to pack a barrel for my mother and my brother. It's not easy to pack a barrel, but you know, you can buy the barrel. And just every time you got this